The need for modern businesses to keep accurate records has contributed to the rise of the information technology known as document imaging. This category of technology is based upon copying devices such as scanners and copiers being used to replicate and archive papers in electronic form. Current methods have moved towards software which reproduces and stores documents in disk form or computers. Companies would be eventually buried under their own paperwork if they had to keep physical copies of every record they generate. Rather than have an entire warehouse filled with old papers, the imaging industry was developed to copy documentation and store it in electronic versions. Saving electronic versions of papers eliminates the need for a warehouse and allows the user to more easily access the stored documents by pulling up the stored record from the archive. Using this type of content management system makes it possible for a company to eliminate much of the paper in their operations by copying and storing it and recycling the paper. In its original incarnation, this technology was centered on copying or scanning documents and then storing them in usually a type of bitmap file such as a TIFF or JPEG, which would be accessed later using the proper software program or optical character recognition software. Drawbacks were caused by problems with sending information across different computer platforms or to systems which could not read the data. Scanned documents need to be converted to text to be manipulated. If a stored piece of information can't be opened and read, or edited, then it is not as accessible as the original page. The advancement that overcame those problems is the development and distribution of universal file formats that are used for document imaging, storage and retrieval. Common file formats such as rich text format, RTF, document, DOC, files and especially portable document format, PDF, format, which can be used to store records on searchable CDS and read them using freeware available online.